Gen Z can rot, okay? The Minecraft movie is not that fucking good. Trust me. The chicken jockey part, I've been seeing this all over TikTok, and I know damn well you have too, where people flip out over chicken jockey. I don't get it. Okay, sure. Maybe it's just a meme now, chicken jockey, but what is so funny about it? I mean, why is there this literal sign that has to be put up in movie theaters now? Because this generation is so deep in brain rot that they can't handle themselves and behave like a normal person in a public place. And then they turn around and get angry that, like, they make this huge mess. Like, I know some people will say, oh, well, it's the worker's job. They get paid to clean up. But do you think they want to sit there and hold like the next showtime back another like 2 hours because they have to clean up after your fucking mess? And before you call me a hypocrite for being a part of Gen Z, admittedly and unfortunately I am, but I don't behave this way. I act like a normal, well-adjusted person because, especially in public, why the fuck else would you not? I mean, I can understand violently jumping up and down like a little kid when they finally see their father after 5 years of service in the military, but throwing popcorn and drinks and slushies everywhere, I mean, just, you gotta be fucking kidding me. Honestly, this is exactly why, like, spanking and, like, sometimes being slapped should be brought back. I'm not saying children should be abused, but Gen Z's parents have been so fucking soft on them and so lenient, and they end up like this. This is why you can't be soft, like you can't do soft parenting. I think the clear difference in the way that the majority of Gen Z acts, and I'm not saying it's everybody, but a vast majority of them, the way that they act versus the way that people like me act and just well-adjusted individuals, is the fact that I got spanked with a belt and a spatula and slapped in the face and yelled at when I acted like that. And I think that's, I don't really have a problem with it now. Looking back at the time, sure, maybe I was a little traumatized, but who? Now I don't fucking make a giant ass mess in a public place and sit there and get mad when someone finally unveils the consequences of my actions, It's like Gen Z would be the exact type of people to speed, they get pulled over by a cop, and then sit there and go, what are you pulling me over for? I'm just driving how I want to fucking drive. As if, like, there's just some sort of entitlement there. I could go on all day about how ridiculous Gen Z is and the way that I can't. And I do believe there's a deeper underlying root cause as to why Gen Z acts this way. And if you want to learn more about, like, the corruption in the world and just conspiracy theories and what exactly causes people to become this way psychologically and how to become your best self, visit bloomyourpotential.com. Link will be in the description below. Get the Matrix Masterclass. I'm not selling you a course. It's completely free. Promise you'll love it. Won't waste any of your time. And God bless.